Hey guys, welcome back. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. It's very cool. We're here working on the Nyckelharpa, part 5. We got all the keys in, key runners in. Everything's working really cool. We're getting there. Getting pretty close to getting some strings on this thing and see what it sounds like. So let's keep working. We cut the tailpiece. I'll show you some footage of that, and then we're gonna get to cutting that bridge, and I think that'll be it for all the pieces. After that, we're just finishing and getting everything set up. So let's get to it.